Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer is designed for cooking smaller batches with countertop convection instead of heating a full oven. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, precise cooking results: cook and air fry shrimp, steak, fries, wings, fish, chicken, and defrost cooking presets. This matters most when evaluating the listed cooking modes and temperature range. It also states, powerful performance and precise control. Experience powerful performance with the 1200W heating element for fast heating and cooking. Use that detail to judge basket capacity for the meals prepared most often, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, allow ventilation space and check whether the basket and crisper parts are dishwasher safe. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that a single basket cannot finish foods with different times independently and still occupies counter space. Households regularly cooking multiple foods at once may prefer a dual basket or oven-style model. Overall, Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer best fits shoppers focused on cooking smaller batches with countertop convection instead of heating a full oven whose setup matches the supported facts.